When a customer calls one of your queue numbers, the system automatically finds the next available agent and delivers the call. In this video, we'll walk through what happens on your screen when a queue call arrives, the controls you have during the call, and how your stats update afterward. Let's start by looking at the agent panel, where your queue status is tracked in real time. Each queue card shows real-time statistics. The waiting counter tells you how many callers are on hold right now, and the available count shows how many agents are ready to take a call. When a new caller joins the queue, the waiting count increases instantly. The system then selects an available agent based on your queue's routing strategy, typically the agent who has been idle the longest, and delivers the call. When a queue call reaches you, an incoming call banner appears at the top of your screen. It shows the caller's name and number if available, along with answer and reject buttons. This banner stays visible no matter which tab you're on, so you never miss a call while browsing messages or contacts. If you're using the browser softphone, click the green answer button to connect. If your desk phone is registered, it rings simultaneously. Once you answer, the phone tab becomes your call control center. The display shows the caller's name, number, and a live call timer. Below that are 4 in-call buttons. Mute silences your microphone so the caller can't hear you. Hold places the caller on hold with music while you check something. Transfer lets you send the call to another extension or number. And Keypad opens the dial pad for entering digits during the call, like an account number or menu selection. If a caller needs a different department or a specific person, click the transfer button. A dialog opens where you type the extension number or an external phone number. Click transfer to complete it. The call moves to the new destination and your line is freed up. The original queue tracks this as a completed call. It counts toward your handled total. You can also do a warm transfer by placing the caller on hold, calling the destination first, then transferring once they're ready. After the call ends, the system updates your queue statistics. The completed counter increments on the queue card, and your Today's Performance section reflects the new totals. You'll see calls handled go up, your talk time increases, and the average call duration recalculates. These metrics reset at midnight, giving you a clean view of each day's work. Your status automatically returns to available, and you're ready for the next call. That's the complete queue call workflow. From the moment a caller enters the queue to the incoming call banner, through your in-call controls, and finally, your updated performance stats. The system handles the routing automatically, and your agent panel keeps everything visible in real time. Next, check out the SMS queue handling video to learn about managing text message conversations from the queue.